How to add a device on Google's Find My Device. What's up everyone, welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily add a device on your Google's Find My Device. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So let's get started. As you can see here, I have my Find My Device turned on and I only have my phone right here. So if you want to add another device to this account, what you need to do is head over to your other device. In this case, I'm going to be using an emulator. So I'm just going to use the BlueStacks. You can continue with your other phone, and here what you want to do is add an account to your emulator. So for that, open up its settings and then head over to accounts. Now once you get to accounts, you will see your settings menu like this. Now here you head over to accounts and then tap on add account. Now if you want to add a Google account, click on Google and add the same account that is logged in right here on your Google's Find My Device. Now to add your account, just follow the on-screen instructions. So I'm just going to add my Gmail and then you will be prompted to enter your password. So I'm just going to enter my password right here. Now once you have entered your password and completed all of your verification, tap on I agree. And then you just have to make sure that you sync all of its data. That will also include Find My Device. So once the account has been added to your device, you can just go ahead and complete the setup. Now as you can see, my account has been added to this device. So it will take a while, but if you refresh your Find My Device page, you should be able to see your device right here. And if you don't see it, you just want to head over to your settings menu, tap on Google, and then from here you just want to turn on Find My Device. So scroll down and click on Find My Device. Make sure that this is toggled on, and once you do that, it will automatically be added to your account. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.